Hi, it's Lisa here from Active Domestics, and I want to talk about folding towels. Now, everyone's got a different way of folding towels, and that usually depends on the space that you have available in order to store your things. For example, most commonly, people will fold their towels in half like this, and then in half again, and then into thirds. But if we did that here, you could see they would take up way too much space, and we'd only be able to get 2 layers of towels here instead of the 3. Because these are the bigger bath towel, they're going to take up too much room. So even if we did them like that and then folded them over, they would still be too bulky and wouldn't sit well. So here what we do is we fold them like this. So sometimes you've got to change your folding methods to make your space work for you. So here we just fold it over in half. Before we had the fold line up the top. Now we've got the fold line off onto the side. And then we just fold it over into thirds first, like this. Pick those bits up and then put them into thirds again. And you can see that makes a really nice, neat fold, and that fits neatly. Now it's the same as when you're also folding pillowcases. Number one, you want to always make sure the pillowcase is in the right way, and you want to make sure that these bits up here are quite flat. Sometimes you actually have to lay them out on a table and smooth them down with your hands in order to make them flat. But then essentially you're going to fold that the same way. In half again, and then in half again. And that will create a nice flat fold. At home, what I do is like that Maree Kondo thing, where I then fold them in half again, and I store them in a container like this all up. Same as what I do with my towels at home. At home, what I do is I have a basket, and all my towels are folded and stored up this way, and that way when my children come along and pluck out that one particular towel that they specifically want, it causes less mess inside my linen cupboard. So there's always a reason why people fold things, and think about how you're folding things to maximize the space that you have in your linen cupboard. Thanks for watching.